Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do an unboxing of the new Amazfit Neo. So this has heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, always on display, 28-day battery life and 5 ATM water resistant. So guys, what I've seen Amazfit devices are from MI. They have their own brand, separate brands Amazfit, but these are basically made by MI itself. So guys, this device is a bit different from what Amazfit usually makes. So you can see this is also an Amazfit device. This is the Amazfit Bip Lite. So this one is a bit different. This one has the look of old Casio watches. So let's see, go ahead and do the unboxing and we'll show you how it is similar to those. Oh, so this has this. Okay, here we go. So guys, this the MRP is 3,999. That is a 4,000. But recently in the Amazon discount Great India sale, I got it for around 2,499. So here we go. It's nicely packed. Oh, nice. I think this has the documentation in this. They have packed it nicely. Let's see. Okay, so we have the manual here, quite thick. Yeah, so setup manual in different languages. We have it here. Let's keep it aside. This is the cable, the charging cable, I think. Yes. Okay, we'll get into that. So guys, this is the watch. Yes. Oh, it is wrapped in nice in plastic. Let's see. There we go. Oh, nice. So it looks really similar to old Casio watches, if you can remember. I have one Casio watch here with me to make the comparison, side by side comparison. You can see where they got their inspiration from. It looks totally like the old Casio watches. So this has the heart rate sensors. These are here. This is the charging port. Looks nice, looks sturdy. This is nice rubber material. We'll do a full review later on. Like and subscribe my channel for that review. It will be coming very soon. So let's just go ahead and see how the charger is. I have heard that it has a magnetic port. Yes, so that's it. I think it goes. Okay, so this is not a magnetic port. We have to manually fix it. So not magnetic. So that's it. That's what's out of the box. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.